Hi, I'm Andrew. I'm a flight tech here at Viewrail, and today we're going to show you how to properly install surface-mounted posts onto both concrete and wood. We're going to start with mounting into wood with our simulation deck in our studio. Make sure you have the following items before you start: power drill, lag screws, Viewrail Surface Mount Post, eye protection, and we're going to start with the most important step, measuring. We measure both the distance between the posts and the distance to the edge of the tread. Next, you're going to position your post and square it to the tread or landing. Mark the holes where you'll secure the post with lag screws. Next step will be drilling. Be sure to wear protective gear. Now that we've pre-drilled our holes, all that's left is securing the post. Be sure to be checking the level of your post as you tighten it down, and don't go too quickly. Now let's check out how to install into concrete. It's very similar to installing into wood with a couple of hardware changes. Instead of those lag screws we used on our deck, we'll be using the provided concrete anchors. And instead of a power drill, you'll need to source a rotary hammer capable of penetrating concrete. The first step is to measure the distance between posts. Next, we'll square our post in its designated spot and mark the holes. Next step, drill. After we drill, be sure to clear all the dust out of the holes so we can seat our concrete anchors properly. Tap the anchors into place and slide the post over top. Secure the post with the provided nuts, paying attention to the level. It's that easy. If you have a question that wasn't answered here, feel free to leave us a comment, visit our website, or give us a call. Happy installing.